Hello guys, I'm Nazmul Hassan and today I would like to throw some light about the RF connectors that you use in antenna engineering. At the beginning, I'll show you this typical edge-mounted SMA connector. The maximum operating frequency for this connector is 26 GHz. That means if your antenna's operating frequency is greater than 26 GHz, you cannot use this connector. You have to use another type of connector. Before showing you that connector, I would like to show you how you connect this SMA connector to the antenna, especially the microwave antenna. This is a microstrip patch antenna, and this is the 50 microstrip line, and this is our SMA connector. We place this SMA connector at the edge of this PCB board. That is why you call it edge-mounted SMA connector. And the little guy at the center, that little tiny pin, is actually the signal pin, and it's touching this 50 ohm transmission line. And we solder at this point. And the other end is connected to 50 ohm coaxial cable. And that is how we excite this antenna. So let's see what type of connector we have to use if our antenna's operating frequency is greater than 26 GHz. There you go. This is a 2.92 millimeter connector, and the maximum operating frequency of this connector is 40 GHz. So if your antenna's operating frequency falls within that range, that means greater than 26 GHz and up to 40 GHz, you can safely use this connector. And there are two screws at the bottom, so you have to remove these two screws and insert your PCB at this slot, and again fasten these two screws. That's how you fasten this connector to the PCB board. And there is a tiny pin at the center of this connector that is a yellowish color. You may see it. Yeah, that yellowish pin is the signal pin, and that is so tiny, and that will touch the signal plane of your PCB board, and you have to use very thin soldering tip in order to solder at this point. Okay? Alright, and the other end is connected to 50 ohm coaxial cable. The reason I'm showing this connector is because of 5G technology. We all know that 5G is coming very soon, and hopefully it will be commercially available within 1 or 2 years. And International Regulatory Committee, although they haven't decided about the operating frequency for the 5G, but it is unofficially known that 5G is going to use millimeter wave frequency for the operation. And mostly 28 GHz and 60 GHz are the two primary candidates for the 5G technology. And antenna engineers are already designing antennas operating at 28 GHz. And they are using this connector with the PCB board of their antennas. And many of you maybe are interested in the design of 5G antennas. I myself is going to design a 5G antenna very soon, and I'm going to use this connector with my antenna, and that is why I'm showing this connector. So if you think this video benefited you in any way, then don't forget to like it and share it, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video.